Secretary Walsh, welcome to Dawes High School. This is our newly built manufacturing lab due to gracious help from GEA and part of our STEM Academy and our manufacturing pathway.
The opportunity in this room itself, opening doors and opportunities for young people into manufacturing.
I'm trying to push this cylinder forward and backward.
So we started this program about 3 years ago. We started the idea and the dream of this lab.
So it's not just school for the sake of school. It's not just courses in isolation, but it really is about how do we bring the real world to life with the learning, and students are building skills and knowledge.
So the program here is, we partner with Class Act Federal Credit Union, which is local here in Louisville. The students have the opportunity to attend a summer training and actually become tellers of the credit union.
I wasn't even confident in my financial literacy, so working at the credit union, it made me much more confident, and I felt like I was so much more able to take a hold of my future financially.
I've always had a huge interest in business, and I myself want to be a business owner one day, so going into my sophomore year, I knew this is the path I wanted to take.
Are you nervous about meeting the U.S. Labor Secretary?
I think I got it.
Nice to meet you, Marty Walsh. How are you? Really nice to meet you.
Now, as we saw on the tour, the school itself is on fire with really practical learning, and that's given our kids a great hands-on experience so that they can prepare themselves for what they can see in the future of work.
You know, what we wanted to do was do wall-to-wall. Every single kid in a school in freshman year gets to explore their opportunities that are at that school, and then they get to pick a pathway. But also that pathway is going to be relevant because they're going to have math, English, science, and social studies together where the teacher can make that relevant learning.
I have to be honest with you, probably one of the best visits I've had as Secretary of Labor here at this high school.